At Wago, we offer PCB mount terminals for a huge range of applications. All of our products are screwless, so you know the connection is going to be simple, reliable, safe and free from maintenance, which ensures maximum uptime for your equipment. Wago has been producing terminals since 1951, so has years of experience in product design and application solutions, with thousands of customers using Wago products worldwide. And we are the originators of the screwless connection. It's in our DNA. We lead the world market for spring pressure connection technology. In our PCB terminals and connectors, we offer 3 different connection types. Push wire, which is exclusively for solid conductors, the universal cage clamp for solid, stranded and flexible, as well as push-in cage clamp, which has the additional advantage of push-in termination for solid and ferruled conductors. It is the fastest way. No special tools are needed for any of the types, which ensures quick and easy connection. As you've heard, the range of terminals and pluggable connection systems is very comprehensive. Conductor sizes range from 0.08 square millimeters up to 25 square mil, current up to 76 amps, and metric or imperial pitches from 2.5 to 20 millimeters. So how do you make sense of all this? By application, whether it's lighting, drives, controllers, renewable energy, EV charging or signal connection, there's a solution from Wago. By current rating or conductor size. By conductor type, for example, solid conductors used in lighting applications or large flexible conductors in power applications. Or by solder type. If all the other components on the PCB are SMD, then choose from our SMT range. Simple integration into your manufacturing process with products for various soldering processes. Pluggable PCB terminals are available for individual solder pins and solder pin strips. We offer different conductor entry directions and actuation types for every need. Custom color combinations for clear connection identification. Whatever your application, Wago has the right solution.